back, Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to Follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, and I hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. We're back. We're at Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It opens to the general public in 2 days. We got cast member previews going on right now, and I wanted to give you the latest update, so come along with us and follow the Bradley's Fun. I just got into the park, Magic Kingdom, about to get on the train to ride over to Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and the train is broke. Everybody was on board. They were holding, and now they've evac'd. Not that that's a big deal, evac. It's just everybody's at the station. But, you know, you'd want to know. Well, there it is, the Frontierland Shooting Gallery closed off to build the DVC Lounge. That's the first time I've seen it. Closed up a couple days ago. So, you know, this is one of those things. So we made it to Splash Mountain. I mean, Tiana's Bayou Mountain in the Bayou. Tiana's Mountain in the Bayou. That's what they should have called it. Tiana's Mountain in the Bayou. Currently, cast member previews. I saw a boat just a moment ago go by, a log with people in it. They are running a lot of empty logs right now, so it's supposed to be cast member previews. Not sure what's happening, but it does seem that it is operating at the moment. Maybe it just restarted, and I just, oh, here's a boat with people in it. There we go. And they have splashed down. So we got a few in there. Cast member and their family. Oh, and another one. So it looks like I've just come in to where the ride is operating. Ironic, since the train is currently not operating, which you just saw. There they are. Woohoo! Woohoo! So I'm gonna find out if they just restarted this, because it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. So who knows what I may have missed during the day. Okay, so the water looks muddy again, and I kind of feel like that's for effect. It's gotta be, right? Because sometimes I've seen it clear. I have seen this water clear, and I think maybe they want the muddy for the look of the swampy bayou. Now, somebody else has told me that those two frogs are not supposed to represent Prince Naveen and Princess Tiana, except they clearly do. Even if they have different character names, they clearly represent Princess Tiana and Prince Naveen. One of the challenges of the theme of this being in a bayou is that they've had to cover all of the red rocks of the Splash Mountain, which they can't really do all the way. So it's always going to have that feel of this isn't a bayou that you're in. Trying to do that the best they can, and I get it, but honestly, this should have been themed to something else, and they should have put Tiana with her own ride. I can never stop feeling that way, and there's a big part of me that thinks that this thing is going to get another retheme. If not in 2 years, then 3 to 5, to something that's proper, and then they'll just move everything they made for this over to a brand new Tiana's ride. I'm thinking that could happen. Whatever this is supposed to be has not opened up to the public. It always looks like this. Just says back in 5 minutes. There's a shade drawn, and something is clearly supposed to be in there. It does seem to me that they've been able to keep this water wheel working the whole time. So at least there's that. The water wheel works, people. I don't know if it does anything for the ride, but it works. I'm not sure why there are so many empty boats. Like, I'm seeing definitely some cast members are riding, but then there's a lot of empty. I don't know, maybe there just aren't a lot of cast members that are showing up, because they did have the earlier cast member previews, but let's find out. I actually rode the monorail over here with a cast member who was supposed to be coming over here for his previews, and He was here for the earlier cast member previews, and it did break down on him, and he wasn't able to ride that day. So it looks like he'll definitely get his ride today. Well, it's another cast preview day, but it doesn't look like there's a whole lot of cast previewing Tiana's Bayou Adventure, because I'm looking back there. There's nobody in the queue. Well, they got the train working again. That's good. This is probably the same one that I tried to get on. Don't know what was wrong with it, but at least it's back operational. Oh, if they only understood the irony. And here's a better look at the Tiana's Bayou Adventure queue today. Cast member preview, but I guess all the cast members that wanted to ride rode already, for the most part. There's very few coming in right now. Interesting. I haven't really covered these smell-elephants yet. I've been over by them several times, but the truth of the matter is, I haven't really smelled much coming from them. They're presented by Scentsy, and I do know over at Epcot during Flower and Garden Festival, they had a display over there, and you could definitely smell the stuff over there. But for these smell-elephants, I haven't really noticed anything yet over here. So that's why I haven't really had a whole lot of coverage of them, because they're kind of a nothing burger. Boy, I think I'd rather have a nothing burger right now. On the other hand, walking into the circus tent, there's a lot of good smells. It smells like sugar, actually. Yes, a lot more smell here at the Big Top Treats Circus Snacks Galore. I'm not getting a snack right now though, but I am getting cooled off because it's a little cooler in here. Oh well, there's definitely not a whole lot going on at Tiana's Bayou Adventure right now. Even though the ride is operational, cast members have not showed up for the preview today, so I cannot even begin to speculate as to why. When I was a cast member, I would go to previews as many times as they would let me, and they were always busy. But for some reason, today, the ride's finally working for cast members, but they're not here. Okay. I'm gonna head out of this park and over to Epcot. I'm over here by the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, and it's only a 15-minute wait, and I haven't done this ride in forever, so I'm gonna go on, because I don't even remember what it's like. I think we could visit Piglet. Doc Winnie the Pooh. Rabbit's Garden. I did not realize that Winnie the Pooh had such an interactive queue. All these little things that kids can do while you're in line waiting. It's kind of nice. And there's like a ton of stuff. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've been on this attraction. Oh, we're about to get in the honey pot. Is that what they call it? The honey pot? One. Number three.
Chapter 11, why does this ride start with bankruptcy? That's weird.
One day, under the Google, the East Wind created racing.
Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Follow me right this way. I'm gathered together to say,
Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray for Pooh, too.
Hooray for Pooh! Here we go. And there they go. Oh, look, it's the infamous sword and the stone. Stone. Yeah, there's a sword. I don't even think I'm going to try today. I don't know. All right, I'm out of here. Time to leave the castle land and go over to the big ball. My hat's all crooked. Made it to Epcot, and I'm going to see Test Track for the first time since it has been shut down. So there it is, the outside of Test Track. If you saw a couple videos ago, I did ride it for the last time. There is just a smidgen of rain coming down right now. Not too bad. I'm just gonna check out the cars that they have sitting out front. So I'm not sure. I did see it from above when I was riding in on the monorail, which is above us right there. And it just looked like they were starting to clear. So they haven't done a whole lot yet. Cars, I don't know, like they've never been a big deal to me. They're a big deal to a lot of people, and I've just looked at them as a vehicle to get from point A to point B. That's it for me. So I haven't checked into how long all of that is supposed to take. Will it happen? It should. Will it go the way of the Play Pavilion? Which, by the way, there's still an announcement about the Play Pavilion on the monorail as you're coming in. Even though the Play Pavilion doesn't look like it's happening, there's a message about the City of Play coming. Weird. But anyway, this should be down for maybe a year or so, year and a half, 2 years. By Disney's track record, it could be down 5 years. I don't know. But hopefully Test Track 3.0 is a winner, right?
Here's a strange new acrobatic thing they got going on over the first time I've seen it. It's been here for like 2 months, but I've never seen it before. It's a little, I don't know if I find this appropriate for a family park. Tell you what, you check it out and let me know in the comments below. Is this appropriate for families with small children to be watching? And the crowd goes wild. This is kind of what I'm talking about. This is like literal pole dancing in the middle of a theme park that is supposed to be mostly enjoyed by kids. But seriously, comment below please and let me know your thoughts. Is this right for a family park?
Thanks for coming in today. Check it out. Follow the Bradley's Fun. I've had a good time. Not a whole lot going on today, but we'll be back on Friday to see the the grand opening day of Tiana's Bayou Adventure over there, the Magic Kingdom. But for now, we're going to call it a night here. Of course, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and click that notifications bell, because when you click it, you stick it to the YouTube algorithm, and you're notified of all of our uploads here at Follow the Bradley's Fun. So thanks for coming in today, everybody. Check us out. Check out all the past vlogs. Check us out at our 10 a.m. show, The Daily Dish. And until next time, we'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao. Bye.